Here we get the Defender Parrot. Very unique device. Its new addition is the beak pieces, which we'll see here momentarily. The beak pieces were invented to attack digits, literally to break fingers off your body. You can see the two beak pieces fit nicely right over fingers or thumbs. It's twist and break. So those applications that need this, they have it. But it also, of course, with two little points like that, makes a great motivational tool. You can see there. Again, those beak pieces literally fit right over your fingers, or their fingers. And that's interesting use here. You see there's 3 points there. Coming in, hooking in the back like we did before, pushing him away. Come on the back side and take a good look at that. It's also nice because things run into it. The fist can run into those two big pieces. Pretty nice.